Okay, I'm gonna use this color. To blend your translucent color, you should use a big fluffy brush and just blend it. See this picture? Sometimes when I feel like there's like little spots that I miss, I just go with like a big brush and I just go circles. And I don't like push down, like I lightly touch my skin, you know what I mean? And then I go like that. Cause if you push down, it's gonna leave like a little dot, like a little empty spot. I'm gonna cut my crease. Okay, so what I got is that, okay, instead of dragging it, it's better if you tap it and then drag down. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to tell you. But like if you go like this, you have to do it like more times. I don't know how to say it. Like I rather go like, put it where I want the crease to be at and then drag down. And then I'll do the, like that. Like I'll go like that. First I go down like this and then I go like that. See? And I don't take it all the way. Like you see where the black is right here? I know it looks weird right now, but once you like blend in and I push forward like that, so it can blend it itself basically, you know? You see? And then whenever I'm actually done with this, I'm gonna tap it. Okay. Once this is like dried up a little bit, I get that small brush that I used and like I put a little bit of product on there. And then I just go circle motions and I go right here. And then I go over the little line. You see? Over it. And if you have a smaller brush, that'll be so much better on the cover. Like I have this little brush from Morphe. Just go on the crease. You see? It just needs it. It needs a little bit more purple. I'm just going back with that same brush to clean out any rough edges. Okay, so I'm going to conceal my face. I use the Tarte for concealer, the Tarte foundation for concealer, and it's the shade Medium Honey because I'm fucking dark. Oh, I thought my kids were crying. I was about to say, what the fuck is going on? And this is how I use, like, to do my crease. The thing about this foundation is that you have to work with it really, really fast. So usually I'll do my eyes or whatever. Spray. Okay. So I highlighted my under eye. Now I'm going to highlight the roof. I put some right here because when I put my foundation, I feel like it gets really, really dark right here. So in order for it to look lighter, I put like a lighter shade. And I just tap. And I make it like a line or whatever, however you want to say it. I turn it like this because I'll be fucking my eyebrows up like all the time. And then I just tap. Okay, now I feel like I still have paint. Like I smell my hair and it smells like paint. Whatever. Now for my foundation, I use the It Tan. I use a tan color. Cause look, I don't know if you can tell, but I'm dark as fuck. And I'm not really gonna use a lot because last time, well, I've been using this, honestly, and it's like, and I'm gonna use this brush because some reason I feel like my blue beauty blender isn't really doing nothing. This foundation has like a lemon flavor. Flavor. Lemon smell. I have sparkles on me porque your girl was I was trying to do another look and it didn't work out, so. I feel like I had a booger. Okay, so before I do the contour, I'm going to bake my motherfucking face. My mustache. I did a lot of coke. I'm just kidding, I don't do that shit. I'm not gonna lie, I tried it before and it scared the shit out of me. So I was like, this ain't for me, son. I'm using the Soft Focus Finish Powder. I'm not sure what brand this is. Black Radiates. It's super cute. Ooh, this is my new favorite bronzer, bitch. Look at that. Look at that. I look crazy as fuck. My double chin needs to disappear. Now, sometimes I hate baking so long porque mira. Okay, I'm getting more bronzer. I'm gonna contour my nose. I use a flat brush like this because I feel like it's easier because it covers my whole side nose and I can just do little circles like that. You see the difference? I don't know if you can tell, but I can. I'm gonna do this super light pink. My highlighter, I'm going to use this shimmery pink. It's called Bashful. I'm going to spray this because I want it to pop. Like, okay. I like putting some up here because like my lips are like really defined right here and they curl up when I smile, and like I don't know, I just feel like it looks cute. Now I'm gonna use my finger to put some right here. And then at the tip of my nose. And whatever's left, I'm gonna just highlight the little spots that I want it, like I want highlighted. Ooh, this is cute. Okay, so next I'm going to, okay, I got this mascara. It's called Black Radiance. And I forgot to tell you guys, I don't have any falsies, like any false lashes, so I'm gonna put like the individual ones. I have all these boogers in my nose. Ugh. Man, don't y'all hate when this happens? Look, brush is like fucked up. What I do is I turn it like the other way and then I use that side. But I try to keep that little piece as far away as I can from my eye. Like that I won't fuck it up and it won't leave like a little mark, you know? Just a little tip for you. Dude, I think I'm gonna like not use this little brush and I'm finna just use the one that I have right here. It's from e.l.f. I think I nailed it on the curl. All I'm doing is putting these eyelashes in, so when I paint them, they're fluffy, if you know what I'm trying to say. I do this even whenever I don't even do my makeup because I feel like these falsies, like putting them on like this, like it makes it look like your own eyelash. And like I do leave like a little space in between all my falsies, like so when they do dry up I can go back and put another one in between them. Okay guys, so I just finished putting the single eyelashes. What I do next is I use a dark, like a really dark eyeliner, but I don't have a dark eyeliner, so I'm gonna use here, I'm gonna show you. So basically I put eyeliner on the bottom of my eyelash, which is this one. I mean the top of my eyelash. So now I'm going to use this pink. That's all I get. What the fuck? $6 for that little piece. Like, bitch. Alright, let's see how this goes. It don't even paint. Ow. That whole hurts. Oh, fuck. I don't like this eyeliner. So I did my little eyeliner from the bottom. I'm gonna use this one right here. It's the BH Cosmetics. I'm gonna get that pink that I used for my bottom eyelash because that eyeliner is shit. Like, it did not. You see? Like, can y'all see how bad it was? Look at it. Like, it didn't even do anything. Okay, I'm gonna use this pink right here. And I'm gonna... Got some in my eye. Next, I'm gonna use my Morphe brush. Hopefully it don't fuck me up. Blend them harsh lines. Next, I'm going to... Oh, it's right here. Okay, this one right here. The brush is like piquitos. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like a bunch of little plastics. Does it look better? Alright, so that's it. Fuck it, we're gonna leave it here. I'm still not sure what I'm going to wear or how I'm gonna style my hair, honestly. I will put a picture at the end of the video so y'all can see how I look. If you like this look, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, fuck it, just give it a thumbs down. So like that I know what the fuck is up. But I'm following this. I like it. It gives me like chola vibes, you know? Like them pretty chola vibes. But yeah, I like it. I just need to do my hair. Oh, and look. I got this strainer from Walmart. It's the Kiss Tourmaline Ceramic. I'm not good at reading, so... Okay, bitch. Just break the motherfucking thing already. You just got it. Okay. Can y'all see it? It's little. It's like kind of thin. You know what I mean? I'm finna take it out and do my hair with it. I will review it and put another video on here about it. But let me know if you want me to or not. I look like a crazy lady.